Hello all, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you're doing fit and healthy. So today we are making the English breakfast for our customer, the first English breakfast at Dan's Patisserie. And let's enjoy. They are prepping up things, trying to do more things, and we would be doing the great English breakfast. Chalo bye, dekho vlog. Planning to make. Huh?
Huh?
What are you planning to make?
It is pan fried tomatoes, but then once the tomato is cooked in this, I am planning to pan fry it in olive oil.
So this is what yesterday we brought, the air fryer, wherein you can see what is cooking, how it is cooking, and all it is digitalized. It would take 11 minutes in Elsa tasty DW pad. Ooh, yup. Let's see. Right now it's 9:20. Our English breakfast timing was 9 o'clock. People had told that they would come at 9 o'clock, but it's almost 20 minutes. We came at Dan's Patisserie by 8 o'clock. We are waiting for our guest, and we would be serving them our first English breakfast, which we are very much excited. So if you also want to have English breakfast at Pimpri Chinchwad area, then here is the location, Dan's Patisserie at Ravit. So the flyer is over here. So it's 550 plus GST for both veg and non-veg, and you would get all these options what is mentioned over the screenshot. So please do come visit us, have a wonderful English breakfast, take the reviews, see the reviews today, and then you decide how to come at Dan's Patisserie and have the English breakfast. Dan's Patisserie. So now we are making our English breakfast. Everyone came at.
Now you understood what it is.
Yeah, so much chaos at the bakery. This is the life of bakery. First time we are doing the breakfast. Everything is coming up, and it would be a great.
It should go one more also.
This is my counter. So I had made mocha, cappuccino, latte. One milk is boiling up. So I am also now today barista. Sunny side is up, omelette is going on, a lot of things is going here and there. Chaos, plates are ready, bacon wings are ready, tomatoes are ready, jams are ready, everything is ready, but it would take more 20 minutes. Ooh, getting ready. For the first breakfast, you are the first one. We are doing it. So whatever you are having is made in-house. Everything is made in-house. The French toast, the bread, everything. Only the hash brown is sourced. बाकी सब in-house है. So enjoy your breakfast. And इसके लिए हम लोग ना वो फॉर्म पहले भरने के लिए बोले थे, थोड़ा लेट उसके वजह से हो गया, because it takes time to prepare everything. Sorry for that. But thank you for coming up. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you. Experience for the first breakfast, English breakfast. So much chaos.
Yeah, because people have to tell beforehand like the options what they want and what they want.
So that's the reason. We have done the Google form, but we did not got any response. So what we can do? We got the response only the number of people that were coming. So that's how we prepped the number of people. But what was the option that we never got? But it is a good going. People are enjoying it. You are seeing over here in the camera. They are having it nicely with breads and knives and all this. These are people. That's it. Just going there. Then she's going and asking him. The first experience of breakfast. So much chaos for starting 10 to 15 minutes.
Air fryer at that one.
Yes, I told na you it is required. If hot kitchen is required, then എയർ ഫ്രയറും ആ മറ്റേ പ്രസ്റ്റീജ് ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് നല്ലതായി. പക്ഷെ അത് ചെറുതാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു അല്ലേ ഈ പ്രസ്റ്റീജ്? മറ്റേത് അല്ല, പാൻ ചെറുതായി പോയി അല്ലേ?
Pan was for omelette. ഈ pan was for omelette. What we did.
He did so everything in that. So much chaos. ये जो एयर फ्रायर है, इधर एक स्टैंड आएगा, अंकल हमारे आए नहीं, वो बनेगा. उधर 2 स्टैंड आएंगे. सो सब ये सब अरेंज हो जाएगा थोड़ा और. Yes. तंशी तू क्या बोलती थी? शैनोकोटा क्या पैनाकोटा कौन सा था वो? क्या है वो जो चॉकलेट स्टिक डाल के? पैना शॉकोला, दिस इज पैना शॉकोला. चॉकलेट स्टिक दिखा उसका, चॉकलेट स्टिक है अंदर, वो भी कैलोबो का चॉकलेट स्टिक. डेंजर किस्सा राइट नाउ एट टैंस पेटिसरी, वी जस्ट रिजॉल्व इट. बहुत चीज़ें, बहुत डेंजर चीज़ हुआ, वो देखो आप, देख के आओ एंड उसके बाद बात करते हैं. तो हम लोगों ने रिपेयर कर लिया वो सब, उसके बाद ही बात कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैड रिपेयर्ड इट, नाउ एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल. हाउ वाज इट तंशी? डर गई? हाँ, विल बाय न्यू एक्सटेंशन बोर्ड. ओके.
ഇവിടെ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടായി കത്തിപ്പോയി കത്തിപ്പോയി അതാ വയറിൽ പ്രശ്നമുള്ള
Hi. So we have to go a long way for washroom because it's a common washroom. So she is going to the washroom. और हमने देखा कैसा खतरनाक सीन हो गया था, बट हम लोगों ने वो सब सॉल्व कर दिया. इट वाज लाइक अ शॉर्ट सर्किट उसमें था, अपना क्या बोलते हो, बोर्ड क्या वायर में था, वायर कट गया था, तो इसके लिए वो प्रॉब्लम हो गया, वायर ठीक कर दिया. और क्या बोलना था, येस टुडेज ब्रेकफास्ट, सैटरडेज ब्रेकफास्ट वाज अ ग्रेट सक्सेस. वी गॉट 6 members and they enjoyed it, really enjoyed it. वो भी आपको देखने को मिलेगा, देखा रहेगा आपने ऑलरेडी ऊपर जो मैं बता रहा था. So going forward, every Saturday Sunday there would be breakfast. If you are willing to come for the breakfast, please do come. There is a Google form in the description box and also the pinned comment. वो फॉर्म फिल करके आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हो ब्रेकफास्ट में और ब्रेकफास्ट खाने आ सकते हो. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि वंस यू फिल द फॉर्म वी गेट टू नो व्हाट ऑल यू नीड. इट इज़ ईजी टू प्रेप अस. What happens when you come, then you order, then it takes like 30 to 40 minutes because we do everything fresh. Nothing is like कल रात को बना के रखा. प्रेप क्या होता है, मतलब आप आने के आधा घंटे पहले से हमारा काम चालू होता है. तो जब आप आएंगे तो तुरंत आपको अच्छा फ्रेश एकदम गरम गरम खाने को मिलेगा. नहीं तो क्या होता है, बाद में 30 आप आने के बाद 30 मिनट्स रुकना पड़ता है. कभी स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग बन गया, फिर दूसरे के लिए रुकना पड़ता है, तो वैसा डिले हो जाता है. बट नहीं तो एकदम बढ़िया है. तो आ जाओ आप भी ब्रेकफास्ट खाने को. एडवांटेज ऑफ This is the advantage of being in a bakery shop. You want chai? I make chai. This is the trimming of croissants. Yes, I want chai. I want chai. Andraj, you want chai? No. Chaya. No, they don't have chaya. They have only milk. No milk. Only cotton chaya. They are cleaning. Proofer.